Welcome back. So in today's video we're going to be installing a package that I got from the mail. As you can tell, it's a really small package. So I just got it yesterday. I have already opened it and looked at it. Spoiler alert. But they are just little emblems to go over the stock center Subaru logo. So it'll look about like that. When it's done, it should be a very simple install. I'll tell you where I got them from, how much they were if you guys want to buy them. They look like they're about the right size, so we'll see how that goes. So obviously for the install, we need our emblem. It was a 2-pack, so it came with 2. I don't know where the other one's going to go. Obviously there's only one steering wheel. I don't know why they gave me 2. We're going to need a microfiber cloth, just any. And then I also have some glass cleaner. I know this isn't glass. It's what I use for about everything. It's just a nice little touch up, get the oils off. Does that very well. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit, just right on there. And then we're just gonna clean it off. So I just finished cleaning it. I don't know if you can tell, but there's no fingerprints, there's no oil on it, there's nothing. So the whole main idea of installing vinyl is to have no oil residue or any little debris like dirt, little chunks that you wouldn't even think about seeing. So I always like to clean it off with a microfiber and some of that glass cleaner when I'm installing vinyl, such as my vinyl here and all through the dash. And stuff like that. It makes it a lot easier and it sticks better as well. And you just take this, peel this off of here, and then we're just going to make sure it's facing the right way and try to line it up as best as we can. And then I'm just going to start from the top and then go to the bottom, just to where I can get out the most air bubbles that are possible. And no, I'm not using any tools, but for something this small, you can't really get a tool that you can use on something like this. So you just kind of have to use your finger to press down. Make sure that gets it. I might go get the heat gun and heat it up just to make sure it sticks. Alright, so I couldn't find the heat gun, so that's what it looks like without the heat gun. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, there's no way you can tell that that's not just stock. It may be a little longer over on this side right here, but that's just me being OCD about it. So as you guys can see, I bought it from Army Tech. It is a 2-piece set, so there is another one of these, and it was only $9.99, so that's not terrible. Got it off of Amazon. It was supposed to be 2-day shipping. Now, just so you guys know, I waited like a month for this thing. I don't know if it was because of the seller just isn't very reliable, or because just it got lost in the mail or what have you. But I did have to wait. I had to contact them and say that I haven't got it yet. So then they sent me another one, and I got this one after they sent me it in the next couple of days. So it probably just got lost in the mail, but it seems like a pretty good product for the money. So $10, you get this and another one if this one breaks, falls off, or gets scratched. So I think it's a good product, and that's going to do it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.